Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn about how to use a Reelshort app, a new entertainment app in the App Store and in the Google Play. So we're gonna dive into the trending entertainment app today, and it's making waves with its unique approach to short form content. So for you to be able to use this, you'll just need to download this. This is actually available into the App Store and on Google Play. So as you can see, you'll just need to click onto install so that you could use that, and then right after, you'll just need to create an account for that one, and you'll be prompted to allow some permission, and you'll just need to follow the prompt, create a profile, and get ready for some short form entertainment. So each episode is actually a 1 minute long, making it easy for you to watch on the go using this Reelshort app. So you could stream from any of your mobile devices, whether you're just kicking back on your couch, at lunch, or even when you're on the toilet. So you get unlimited access to shows, new weekly series, and episodes, and hours of entertainment from genre you love. So as you can see, there are no subscription needed for this one, and there are 1,000+ hours of entertainment at your hand already. So there is also a recommendation for you so that you don't miss out onto some of your favorite and anywhere, anytime bite-sized shows, exclusive series. And also there are a lot of genres or movies that it offers. So it will keep you everyone entertained and also satisfied with this one. So you could go ahead and give it a try and discover a world of drama, romance, suspense, and many more, all in 1 minute episodes in the Reelshort app. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.